In this video, I'll show you how to hide the additional information section in WooCommerce quickly and easily. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where you control everything on your site. On the left-hand menu, click Appearance, then select Customize. This will open the WordPress customizer where you can preview your changes in real time. Now, scroll down and click on Additional CSS. This is where you can add your own styling rules to customize how your site looks. Inside the text box, paste the CSS code that hides the additional information section from your WooCommerce product pages. Just make sure to copy it carefully. Even a small typo can cause the style to break. Once you've added the code, check the live preview on the right side of the screen. You should see that the additional information tab has disappeared instantly. If it looks good, click Publish at the top to save your changes. That's it. You've successfully hidden the additional information section in WooCommerce. If you ever want it back, just remove the CSS from this section and publish again. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more quick WordPress and WooCommerce tips.